G'day guys, ladies, gents, John from the Junk Removers in Coffs. Just a quick pickup it was today. I'll put a picture up here and that it'll give you an idea of what we do. This was a call from a friend of a friend and they needed help urgently. They had a bit of a rubbish situation and we sorted it out for them. It's just about to rain now. We've just finished the job. We're about to walk out. You can see where the pile was behind me. You'll see the photo that I put in. Okay guys, it's John from the Junk Removers. If you ever need any rubbish or junk removal in Coffs Harbour or on the mid-north coast, give me a call on 0415 540055 or www.thejunkremovers.com.au. Thanks for watching guys. Cheers.